Okay, yeah, so this is my third time trying to record this day 5 recap. Um, I don't know, like this is all these distractions in the house, and like I keep losing my train of thought. So, and people are text messaging me left and right saying Happy Mother's Day. And with that being said, Happy Mother's Day to any of my subscribers that are moms, or anyone that's watching the video that are moms. So, Happy Mother's Day! Yay! And I'm actually drinking tea out of my, oh shoot, y'all can't see because I'm out of my best mom's cup. So yeah. Um what was I gonna say? So yeah, day 5 recap. I talked about my day 4 recap during day 5. So y'all know that my throat was like really sore and swollen. So ooh, my mom told my mom told me um to gargle some salt water. So I did that, but I was like, well, let me go ahead and do my saltwater flush because that'll probably help to soothe my throat down a little bit. So that's what I did. And I made it a little bit warmer than I would. So it was really disgusting, and I drank it slowly. So, yeah, I did that, and it was okay. And then I went out with my day, um, drinking the lemonade and all that stuff. Um, but I will say that I've decided to stop. So yesterday was my last day, and today I'm just working on getting off of the master cleanse because I know that if you just go right into just eating solid foods like it was nothing, you can get really sick. So currently I just drank a cup of the laxative tea. Um, yeah, I just drank a cup of the laxative tea, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get some supplies to make some soup. So I'll drink tea and soup these next 2 days, and then after that, I think I'm gonna just do green tea. Green tea in the morning, the laxative tea at night, and green tea throughout the day, and water and fruit. Um, so that's just the plan I have. I didn't read anywhere, but it's something my husband suggested to me that I do, and then I plan on walking at least 2-3 miles a day. I'm gonna try to really really hard. So today I'm gonna do that. Today I'm gonna do that. With Aiden, since Mother's Day, we'll go to the park. It's nice outside, whatever. And plus we're gonna go visit my grandma to give her Mother's Day card. That's my mom back there. She doesn't know she's on camera. um, yeah. So Oh, and one of my friends, she was telling me that when you're getting off, you have to eat probiotics, which is a good bacteria, which I know. Um, Probiotics, so then that, because your body doesn't have that bacteria that you've been letting go and whatever. So, yeah. And the reason why I started doing this was because I know um, during my semester at school, being a full time student, a mom, a wife, and everything else in between, um, I accumulate a lot of unnecessary. I eat a lot of crap. I don't eat healthy like I would want to. So, so that's why I decided to do that, to release some toxins and do a detox or whatever. And I know I wanted to lose a little weight. So, starting I was 165, and I don't know how much I weigh now. Yesterday when I weighed myself, I was 160. So that means I lost 5 pounds. So I'm gonna weigh myself a little after this video, and then I'll post in the description box below um, how much I weigh. I don't think it's gonna be any less. So within 5 days I lost 5 pounds, which is cool. So I just feel like that's a jump start for me to really eat the way I would like to and be as active as I need to be. So I just need to stay on it and continue to be motivated. I can tell that my face is a little thinner, as my mom said too. She said it doesn't look as chubby. And I know I don't feel as bloated as I usually do. Like without sucking in. My what was I gonna say? My stomach doesn't look as big. So yeah. And what else was I going to say? I think that's it. So I still have a lot of lemons left, so I'll probably just make like some type of something. So I think I'm gonna try to make that. No, I'm not gonna say that out loud because then y'all might try to find a video. I was gonna wanted to make some bread soup that my mom. Yeah, it's been a while, but I'm gonna finish this video. Excuse me. So yeah, I ended up actually really making the bread soup. And I was like I wasn't feeling too good. Like my stomach was still rumbling, and yeah, it wasn't looking good. And so I'm gonna make it again, and I will actually do a video for it. I'm not sure exactly when I'm gonna do it, but I will do it. Um, excuse me. Um, so yeah, I made the bread soup. It actually really helped me out. So I ate the bread soup Sunday, Monday, and today. Um, and then I drank some tea and ate fruit, and that's about it. So I've actually been back on my regular eating because yesterday I went over to um, my in-laws, my husband's grandparents' house yesterday, and they had some food left over from excuse me, from Mother's Day. So I ended up eating some like cabbage and just a whole bunch of food. So yeah, and so yeah, like I said, it provided a great jump start um, for me. I ended up losing 5 pounds. I was 165, and now I'm 160. Um, I don't know. I think I've gained it back. Probably telling my face, but that's okay. So I've just been really walking and just eating vegetables and fruit and soup really right now. So yeah, that's about it. And if y'all have any questions, just let me know. I actually went to the grocery store and I bought some yogurt that has like the probiotics in it. So which is really good. Um, so yeah, instead of buying the pills that my friend suggested. Um, so yeah, that's about it. So yeah, like I said, if y'all have any questions, just let me know. Hit me up below, and I will get back to you. All right, y'all have a great day. Let me see which hand, because I just painted my fingernails, and they're not. I haven't cleaned them up. So, peace.